I heard SEO was important for years and I still put it off. Not because I was lazy, not because I didn't believe that it worked. I just didn't actually understand what it meant. So I treated it like every entrepreneur treats things they don't fully understand. I said, yeah, I'll get to it, and kept moving until I saw the numbers. Organic traffic showing up every single day, consistent visitors to your site, your offer, your brand, without paying for every single click. No ad spend, no chasing, just showing up on organic search results when someone searches for exactly what you sell. Once that clicked, I started obsessing over it on every site I've built through my agency. And now there's an AI agent that does the entire thing for you. If you're new here, I'm Zues Ordaz. I run New Gen Marketing Company, and I want you to understand something I wish I understood years ago. Because if you're putting SEO off like I did, this is going to change how you think about your own website. When people talk about SEO, they make it sound like some mysterious ranking game. Keywords and backlinks and meta tags and all this noise. But strip all that away, and here's exactly what SEO actually is. It's showing up in organic search results when someone is already looking for what you sell. That's basically the gist of it. Someone types best online marketing company for small business into Google, or they ask an AI search tool the same question. If your site shows up, you get the click, you get the lead, you get the customer. If it doesn't, they go to your competitor. And the best part, that traffic compounds. Every page you rank is working for you 24 hours a day. Unlike ads, where the traffic stops the second your budget runs out. SEO is building an asset, a website that earns visitors over time. This keyword right here, best online marketing company for small business, has a real buyer intent behind it. Someone searching this isn't browsing, they're looking to hire. And until recently, I wasn't showing up for it. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you the tool that found the gap, built the page to fill it, and did it all while I basically sat back and watched. And here's where it gets interesting. I didn't connect any analytics, I didn't configure anything complex, I didn't spend hours on the setup. Huge shout out to Ploy for sponsoring today's video and giving me early access to their platform. So what is Ploy? This isn't another generic AI page builder that spits out what everyone would call AI slop. Pages that kind of look like a website but feel off, missing the brand, missing the personality. Ploy was founded by Webflow's co-founder and CTO, the guy who literally helped build one of the most respected website platforms on the internet. He left in December to build this, and the reason why he did that matters. Ploy is an agentic AI platform with 3 engines all working together. There's Web, that handles site building and conversion. There's Grow, SEO, account-based marketing, intent and reach. And there's Ads, creative and attribution. Here's where it gets even more interesting. These engines feed each other. Ploy spots an SEO gap in your site, it writes the page to fill that gap, it deploys it, it finds a conversion drop on a landing page, it spins up an A/B variant to test against it. It's not just generating pages, it's optimizing your entire marketing presence autonomously. And the thing that separates it from every other AI website tool that I've personally tested, Ploy slurps in your actual design system, your colors, your typography, your components, the real brand assets from your real site. So when it generates pages, they actually look on brand, not AI generated AI slop. It's actually your brand, but it's just built a lot faster. Now, let's talk about what actually happened when I ran my site through it, because this is the part that genuinely surprised me. I added my site, newgenmarketingcompany.com, answered a few multiple choice questions about what I wanted, and Ploy took the wheel. That's pretty much it. No connecting Google Search Console, no configuring complex integrations, no spending hours on setup. This is my site. It looks fine. fine, it converts, but behind the scenes, I was ranking for maybe 3 keywords. 3 for a marketing agency is not the best. Ploy instantly analyzed my entire site. It extracted my brand assets, colors, typography, components, the full design system, everything that makes my site look like my site. And then it went to work. It ran a full analysis, SEO, conversion rate optimization, and design, all 3 at the same time. No manual audits, no spreadsheets. Ploy just did it. And honestly, the SEO findings are where I had my moment. Ploy found that my entire marketing agency site was ranking for around 3 keywords. 3, but more importantly, it found what I was missing. A keyword. Best online marketing company for small business. Sitting at a difficulty score of 3 out of 100. That's effectively uncontested. Someone searching that phrase has clear buyer intent. My competitors aren't targeting it, and I had no page for it. Nothing. That's the kind of gap most business owners never catch because they're not running audits, or they're putting SEO off like I did for years because it feels too complicated. And the crazy part, I didn't have to lift a finger to find this. Ploy surfaced it automatically. Its recommendation was direct: build a dedicated landing page targeting this keyword. It can rank fast, and it doubles as a conversion-focused page I can send cold traffic to. One page that works for both organic search and paid. So I told it to build. Ploy generated the page using my actual brand, my dark hero section with the green accents, my nav bar, my process section, my lead form, my footer. It pulled all of it from my design system and built a keyword focus page with a proper H1 SEO meta and a dedicated value section that speaks directly to a small business owner looking for marketing help. What would have taken me hours to brief a designer on, wait for drafts, go back and forth, Ploy built in under 2 minutes. But it didn't stop there, and this next part is what made me realize Ploy operates at a level above every other AI builder I've ever tested. Ploy flagged that images across my service pages were missing alt text, which hurts accessibility and search context. It recommended fixing those issues, and I said yes. Simple approval, 1 click. Then it didn't just add alt text, it refactored my entire services page. Let me read what it actually did, because this is where things got wild. It built reusable base components, a button component with proper variants, a heading component with correct typography scale, a card component matching my brand tokens. Then it collapsed 4 hard-coded duplicate product cards into a single data-driven array. 11 cards, 1 component, all the add to cart CTAs using the same button system, all product titles using the same heading system, and this is the part that matters. The refactored page rendered with 0 console errors and matched the original pixel for pixel. That's not AI just taking a guess. That's AI engineering. Now, I'll be honest, the clone version had some visual quirks that I had to clean up later. A heading overlapping here, a logo slightly off there, but that's not the point. The point is Ploy did it in minutes. What would have taken me hours to brief, review, and revise with a human developer, it didn't even feel like I was using a tool. It felt like I had a technical co-founder just building alongside me in real time. And the final output, a fully optimized landing page, perfectly on brand, targeting a keyword with real buyer intent that I was completely invisible for before. No migration, no platform switch. It just published directly into my existing setup. Here's the bottom line. If you build or manage websites for yourself or for clients, there's no reason you shouldn't be using Ploy right away. The barrier to entry is lower than it has ever been. You don't need to be an SEO expert. You don't even need to know how to code. You literally just upload your URL, answer a few questions, and Ploy handles the rest. Projects expire, systems compound. And Ploy is the system that builds the asset while you focus on everything else. If this gave you any ideas or value, hit like and subscribe. Try Ploy for free. Link is in the description and in pinned comment. I'd love to hear in the comments what SEO gaps you think might be hiding on your site. This is Zeus Ordaz. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.